we will discuss about simple present tense and its negative form. So let me tell you about the core concept of simple present tense and its negative form. That all of you have like your thoughts, you have your feelings, you have the facts about your future and all this. So if you are denying some facts, some thoughts, and some beliefs about your future, you have to use simple future tense and its negative form. So after this, the structure might be like the subject might be followed by will not, and after this, the word must be like in first form and it's based on. So according to like the simple future tense and its negative form, I will give you some examples that I want, I won't go there, I promise. For example, like I'm denying something and I'm like promising with someone that I won't go there, I promise, मैं वहाँ नहीं जाऊँगा, मैं वादा करता हूँ उसको। और इसके साथ साथ मतलब कि आप कह सकते हैं कि I am not going to give this examination. So this also like a commitment and denying something in the future. So conclusion is that using simple future tense and negative form.
Okay, thank you very much indeed. It was all good. Our clarification was fine.